Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today we create a airplane or aircraft animation using HTML and CSS. Here is our airplane or aeroplane or aircraft, a pilot and cloud in the sky. Here is our airplane animation. It's move in the sky and cloud are moving around the airplane. You may use this animation in your website loading or homepage banner. It's working automatically. Let's go to our coding. Here is our index.html and style.css. Here is our lots of CSS code. You may change the text color and font size padding from here. Also you may change the free website code name, replace by your name. Here is Cloudflare CDN and style.css link up. Here is our title. You may change this title from p tag. We will provide the source code link in video description. Also we will provide our social link in video description. If you face any problem, you may contact with us. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get update video notification. We are using Visual Studio Code as a code editor. So if you want to run this project on live server, you may click go live to run live server. Here is our animation. It's moving automatically. Thank you. Stay with us. If you want to need more project, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, template or another project, you may visit our website and YouTube channel. Link will be provided in video description. Please join our Facebook group and get update. Thank you. Stay with us.